Okay, before we continue, here's something else I want to share with you. Imagine you're creating animation videos for your business and for your clients, and getting paid hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And all you are using is VidToon 2.0 as your secret weapon. But there will definitely come a point pretty soon where you want to improve the results that you're generating. And that's where you're going to get stuck with a problem. High-quality templates are one of the most important ingredients when it comes to creating stunning animated videos that would get results for you and for your clients. But it's not the only ingredient. If you want to grab the attention of your audience, then you're going to need more resources as well, like cartoons, characters, soundtracks, and voiceovers. Now, the problem is that if you are not a designer, then this process is very difficult. And even if you are a designer, even then it's sometimes difficult to produce the quality that you need. Well, that's why we went to work and created VidToon 2.0 animation character builder software and our template club. With this software and club, you're never going to have to struggle with creating attention-grabbing animation videos that convert. Simply use our cutting-edge software to create any character that you want. It just takes minutes to create a stunning character with our drag-and-drop intuitive interface. Next, our template club. Just select from our professionally designed wide range of templates that are instantly added to your account. Customize the template any way you want and then use it in your animation video. And to ensure that you never run out of ideas and high-converting designs, you are also going to be delivered fresh and in-trend templates every single month. The Template Club gives you instant access to over 280 plus high-converting deluxe templates with professional voiceovers, 100 full HD cartoons, and 150 soundtracks. And you get another 120 new templates with voiceovers, 200 animation characters, 10 full HD cartoons, and 10 soundtracks every month delivered to your account. Each of these resources are created by our in-house team and presented in a range of niches. Think about it. If you were to create everything from scratch, it could take you hours and the end result may not look nearly as good. Why not save time and money by getting access to the VidToon 2.0 animation character builder software and the Template Club? If you would like to find out more and see some examples of the templates, you can get access. Go down below right now and take a look. Now,